Here we are, the home stretch of Athlean X training camp. This used to be my favorite time in spring training when I could see that light at the end of the tunnel. We were wrapping up our final few games so that we were getting to the point where they all started to count. Well, all these workouts count now. You gotta bring everything you got so we can get through these and get yourself ready to really attack the final week of the program, your 400 retest, and the new and final challenge, the final exam. But first, we start with an upper body two play in our Super 2 phase here. Spider-Man push-ups, taking the failure right into, back into the plate squeeze stances again. So, down to the ground, Spider-Man push-up. We know we're gonna climb, externally rotate that hip, get a little bit of mobility and flexibility, and that stagger stance and strength through the upper body. Walk it back, and go to the other side. Okay, all the way to failure, up into the plate squeeze stances. Remember, slippery sides of the plates held together, fingers off. You don't want to grip it, that's cheating. Fingers off, squeeze it together, especially after you just did that chest exercise. Sort of pre-fatigued it, up to the right shoulder, up to the left. Remember, we're working front delt tie-in with the chest, and obviously squeezing into that inner chest as well, so that you're going and getting everything working at once. Right and left. Through 10. If you can, these are 5s. Last time you might have used 5s. Maybe you can try to use 10s this time. 3 times through, supersetting A and B. We head over for number 2, pull-ups into an incline dumbbell curl. So once again, we take our pull-ups to failure. No matter how many times we do them, the technique should always be the same. Never cheat them out, especially as you get tired. Grab the dumbbells, lean back. I've got this set up at around 75 degrees or so. A nice pre-stretch on the biceps. You're gonna come up. And then remember, at the bottom of the incline curl, you want to be able to explode out of it so that you get a little bit of a stronger contraction, taking advantage of that stretch reflex that you're generating because of that pre-stretch position with the bench in this position. Great. 10 to 12 using a weight that brings you to failure. Next, tubing, tricep, push-aways into the dumbbell shoulder L raise. So right here, we got our tubing anchored over a pull-up bar. If it's cables, great, load up that stack, get all the way out, pre-stretch the triceps, push it straight out in front of you. Back in control. Remember, as I said, you can alter your stance if you want. You can go halfway through the rep. If you have 12 reps, 6 of them through, put your right leg in front. Or if you want that real challenge, which I'm sure a lot of you will by this point, feet together, and now you're really working your core, as well as obviously your triceps. Okay, right there into your dumbbell shoulder L raise. Back in position, one arm up to the front, one arm out to the side. 10 each direction. That would only be 2 right there. So you got a lot of work to do to get through 10 on each. But I know you're not scared of work, especially at this point in the game. Okay, all the way through. That wraps up your upper body 2 play. Tomorrow, it's Tuesday. Should start to get you to think already. Athlean burst conditioning. We have another crunches and punches workout. And this time, we're gonna add in just a few jumps as well. Rest up, guys. I'll see you back tomorrow. Crunches and punches coming at you.